Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add files into LDPlayer. If you don't have LDPlayer installed yet, you can check my previous video for that. First, open LDPlayer and wait until it fully loads. Once it's ready, click on the shared folder option. Then go to the PC shared folder and you will see the folder appear. Now just copy and paste the files you want to use in LDPlayer into this folder. For example, I am going to copy some video files. After that, close everything and open the gallery inside LDPlayer. You will see your videos there. I hope this video helped you, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.